teaching our second lesson for biking for beginners. It's really for starters who just started to cycle, and we're teaching them how to cycle. In the Dutch culture, it's really normal for nearly everyone to cycle everywhere. So yeah, when you're from another country, it could be very difficult to get to your place without riding a bike.
Just walking back and forth is starting to get a bit, inconvenient.
It's been hard for me to do plans and stuff because I cannot go anywhere without a bike.
I've been here for a year and I've been very scared to even get on a bike.
That's why we organized the course, so you can just participate in the Dutch culture and riding your bike everywhere. We have a program for 6 weeks. We start at the beginning. We just screw up your pedals and you can use your bike as a running bike and just practice your balance. And then we apply the pedals, and then we go do some traffic situations, and we really build up the course to 6 weeks. And at the end lesson, we're just going to ride towards the city and experience the Dutch cycling culture.
I am from Indonesia, but I lived in Qatar for most of my life, so I never really biked, ever.
So I'm not used to people taking their bikes to do almost everything in Spain, so it was really shocking for me to see the difference.
I learned a lot to keep focusing on where I have to go, and to keep myself balanced, to keep calm while I'm biking, because at the end of the day, I have to be in control of the bike, not the bike in control of me.
It went really well. I did not imagine that I was going to learn this fast.
It's so nice to see that the first lesson, people were just new to their bike, didn't know what to do with it, some people didn't know how to sit on it, and now they're cycling, a lot of them.
The instructors are really, really helpful and they keep you going and they know what they're doing, so that's really, really nice.
They helped us in a really good way.
If you come from a place that generally doesn't have a lot of people cycling, trust me, it will do a lot and it'll do wonders if you pick it up as soon as you can.
So I would definitely recommend this to anyone that wants to learn, and it is a bit scary, but you'll do it and you'll get it, so yeah, it's nice.